akwasi insia Commander 6 Kano said it here
we have catch us say the akokodro boni die kwaso na be kan yasem yemfa kasantwi yemfa eni etrending ton enkasa mpani ho enye ne sa ho te se be ne be kan kasabo de ahye yef de be kan yasem isa so my Ghana kanko ne mpunto ne ye wio na ye nyina ye hwe so my be ye ye menu mienu so my be tete apans menu mienu ye de betimi akasa ma Ghana ye ye medin de akwasensia Asem Yi Di Ka bre ena aswim anopai menu edi enkom na hu statement bi ya adwumefo ewo Tema Oil Refinery for edi abakwik ma ma statement no na yenhwe omo ensem people baako mienu bi omo eka na afi ye hunu how I betimi deal with the issue. But before that, now I think prior to 2024 elections, the then flag bearer of the NDC, now President of the Republic, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Ashebose Oba, Tema Oil Refinery, Obesa reviving the BM. So I think this statement primarily talks about like a reminder to the President. Send a bush now share tall edgement for the Ghana Munyano. What's that in issue ABM? So the workers of the Tema Oil Refinery are excited about the return of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama and are confident that he will fulfill his promise to revive TOR as indicated in the NDC's manifesto and re-echoed during his interaction with stakeholders in the petroleum downstream sector in Accra before the 2024 election. We, the executives and members of UNICOF, TOR branch and the entire workforce of Tema Oil Refinery want to re-emphasize that TOR is a viable national asset and if given the needed investment and support will help to stabilize the economy of Ghana and ensure fuel and job security. We were witnesses of what President Mahama did for TOR during his first term, and we are confident that he will do even more for TOR in his second coming. To this end, we want to assure the new government of our support and cooperation for the revival of our dear refinery. We also want to entreat the new government to focus on their vision for TOR and not to be distracted by discredited and criminal-minded people and groups who profit in continually creating bad stories for TOR in the public. We also entreat fellow TOR workers not to allow themselves to be used by such people to tarnish the image of the company for their selfish and wicked interest. Eti TOR, I think we're from the junior staff. You know, senior staff and so a share actually. Omasem and said President Mahama should make TOR work again. President John Dramani Mahama should make Tema Oil Refinery work again. And you see, a komoba kwa ye nyina se me ni ekɔ ho na yakase ye di ne ye a ebeboa ye nyina as on mine. Because the revival of TOR no ebeboa Ghana ye. The revival of TOR beboa on my Ghana ye pa. Se me panu wakasa bi wakasa se be bom amwa yo ho ye ne nti se na wakasa free upem akwakoyo. And also, this is the state of Tema Oil Refinery. Or Sergeant Dr. Kwame Nkrumah ne Sidi Maye. Sabre say Bejimibre, Sebo Munim Nyansa, or me at Tekwafo. Yeni old digital age, and yet we can maintain the way a shame unto us. Ye jama to yasayo. Ye jama a national asset like this. Ye the amanyo sem eseno. Such a national asset like this. Ye the amanyo sem eseno. Yakoso kra fem wo de free amanone ena de baye memu yanka se crude kra ye tu o ye memu a Ghana wo che fam wo ye de ko bi ban so ne akonane na saba ye memu abere wo such a national asset like this e wo hon mu a e betimi abosa adwuma de amai. So we share in a call up for the revival of TOR by the workers. Now, as part of statement, also mention penfobi so edi some so detractors for to adwuma yes some mun kwasa ade no ubia wo ye adwuma TOR bia no o se ade ba ko esi wo ni se ubebua ma TOR etue gya na so ye ubebua ma TOR etime ye adwuma na tiere immediate past minister of energy Herbert Krapper as mo kan ya bro na kasa visit TOR enyam na make o ti Herbert Krapper.
A big shame and disappointment that we're not able to get TOR to operate at full capacity and operate for the purpose for which it was set up. I don't think it is late in the day. I'm quite intimately versed with the issues that TOR has. I believe that finding a strategic partner is really the objective on the horizon. I'm sure while we wait for that, there should be some immediate interventions to prepare us towards that. I don't believe that we should wait around until that event. I am of the conviction that we can work towards that, and I hope that we'll all have that at the back of our minds in the dealings that we'll be engaged in today and beyond. So I hope that we can, put a plan together, work with all the bodies in TOR. I know that the different bodies in TOR.
So the immediate past energy minister, Herbert Crapper, it's a shame to us. The immediate past energy minister, Herbert Crapper, it's a shame to us as a nation. So the question said, dear Namosumu ye. If it's a shame to us, dear Namosumu ye. Etam ka say, and some one more sameka, ya ne flim penfo na eba. It me come ya na be attach am say me, enya kwasin say me pagina na make o. But it's the immediate past energy minister, Herbert Crapper, ya na TOR e show masi. It's a shame to us as a nation. See at say ya TOR entimi nya adwuma. Do you know Sabra not TOR ya adwuma gidigidi pa no? They were contributing about 5 to 7% to our GDP. TOR alone. TOR kwa. And amanyo semunti. Amanyo semwa time. And some fatal for my uncle and muntin. I bought TOR from see ya TOR. And I come RFCC kwa adie. Basa. So then I ask myself, say, so is a black man capable of managing his own affairs now? What is there? Yami had watched my calculation. Now see, I said and penny for from the year 2003. Yes, started this TOR debt recovery levy a buying. Or some penny for how much that levy no accrue. And how much was TOR debt? As of the time as near 11 every was near the yo. How much was TOR debt? Nipa bonne somewhere memu doso dodo. A brony baye or ye memu doso dodo. Ye timi asibio ye pesi. Francofo besi Jomahama yo tisunde. Obi antimi asi refinery ni bio. O saje for Dr. Kwame Nkrumah na nim die so sabre na Ghana kra hu se ye benya oil kra wa ha o. It is in the modern day Ghanaian leadership. Besides, because Nipa was seen, I don't know. Now you're fast so cram more from and say, oh, you are, and I say, oh, you are home. But oh, see ye. Say, I never cry your country, say, train what she are, or no much I say, create to me. Urobia cram, but I'm not fine, I'm not gonna create the Kunis and Puff Fremo. And that, you're too fair, Munibu Ghana. Near the Ben and FM one ye kuno because of politics and incompetence. And now ye too or you need Ghana no. Near the Ben and FM one ye good sound man. And day to Ghana when you for enquisi that bay. The be me can say I am Wapayane bon and I see him. But when it comes to TOR, bon. And a bro. And then the TOR. Engineers, papa, na ye do more TOR. Bebre na man on for before moko. bebre na ma no for before mko tie jama to no aguse ya ye jama na aguse ya asset be pa na to eni dia di pa na to eni ye ti be pem ne ye ti ma to enya adwuma from president Kofo ebesi president Mahama so what is there aye dia What Ghana for two set all the car. Yeah, the 20 kwakotua told them out to now. Told us on the car. More bro. You are wicked. Ghana man for you are wicked. Told debt levy. Send ya jie. Not talk I say. Let me give you some figures. Sir Levy no started I think somewhere 2003 if my memory serves me right. And that president go for person ye dey buy. Now, from 2009 to 2015. In fact, as of 2009, now total debt a movie from 450 million Ghana cedis to 900 million Ghana cedis. By 2015, na sa levy na ye de to fem wo so say ye de kwakotwia to for debt no na awusika 1.45 billion Ghana cedis etiti oha na mpede for na boro no no sa time say Ghana ka se ye de sa sika no etwia to debt na enketwia ka no ama to eyi seats no komo ne ka biem am ya se nyisika ka de atawo machi sa sika no wo hefa mpede for mu abro mu ya brofo from President Kofo time, ebesi President Mahama, wa brofo. Mwa chichi Ghana fosika. Se de kwa kochia toka. Ena musa na musa kate se to sa de ka. Nyame hu ye nyina mobo. Nyankopon onwu na se ni obi ye bia obebusu akonta. One day Obi bio na njumedi so ma Ghana ehuna mani bia one day you pay for it so when tua ka wo ba ebetua so wo when tua wo ba ebetua oh how bia munam njumedi so e dia bre Ghana bia one day you pay for it enne obi be si bi unze nyina de hwi nipa bonefo se de se ma onyofo yai munya mu di hwiwa kotwe sentio papa omegu no Ghana manyofa mugu ni sesie adwe papa ba akokra ni omte omegu no woni mo de fa mbobọ mo omegu adwuma yesie na aban de comment mi ahwe so eram di hwi ko sentio ni guasefo a wo se leaders abrofo ni papanefo a ye wo se leaders because mu am ho anya pipi be NDC eten kwosiaga. Somebody should tell Ghanaians, told them to live, you know, ekosi say e wahefa. Yeti mato onye adwuma. Hebe krapa said to me nya kodo ka che say e shame to you. E shame to you, you hebe krapa. It's a shame to you. Who your energy minister to me koto be ka che say it's a shame and a disgrace and disappointment say ye yenti me mato onye. Na kama na nya adwuma. President Kofo you as energy minister. Dear na ye. Dear na ye. Me did your questions ya me hu nyina mobo. Ya bia meka so me akanifo asabe enya abro. Na adwem boni ni omutrim. Enya pese me nkumenyafo. No ba gye o man Ghana ye yo ne nkanko. Asem Yi Di Ka ni ye de pense mu eto aso maka.
Asem Yi Di Ka.